To deliver the most driving enjoyment possible from your Veloster N, we've added a new shift light feature. These help you optimize shifting. The shift lights are located above the LCD screen at the center of the instrument cluster. They provide a visual indication of your engine speed. As the engine speed increases, more lights illuminate. When all 5 LEDs start blinking, it indicates the best time to initiate upshift operation. You may not want to see the shift lights every time you drive, particularly if you are in normal mode, so you can set which modes they are displayed in. Use the LCD display control and go to User Settings, then Convenience, then Shift Lights. You can select which modes will display shift lights. Shift lights are just one more way to maximize your Veloster N driving experience.